Hey guys, it's me Narelle here and welcome back to a new video. Apparently I got the December sketch box or the January sketch box. I completely forgot how the months work on these boxes, but yeah. And the funny thing is I got a second one. So I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway of this box to one of you guys because I don't need two, but I'm going to get into the details of that later. So let's just open up the box and see what's inside. So on the front part of the box, you have a picture of Wednesday Addams, of course, and it's by this artist. So go follow her on the grams if you're interested in her art too. So let me just get this open. And I got scissors this time because I hate messing up the pretty art on the top of the box. So let's get this open. Ooh, alrighty then. Okay, so this has the supplies that are contained in the box, so we're going to get rid of that. And of course, I see the SKETCHBox sticker, which again will go on my watercolor pad. Alright, and ooh, alright. So the first thing I see are graphics line markers. These are light fast pigment ink markers, and they come in the size of 01, 03, and 05. Okay, and they have this really nice looking case, so I'm digging this slightly. So I think you open it like this. Yep. And these are how the pens look. So this is more information on the pens. And let me just take one out just to see how it looks. Ooh, these are actually quite cute. These really remind me of the uni pens. So I'm actually quite excited to actually use these. Durant graphic line marker set. Retail price $11.49. This month is all about technical drawing. Okay. These pens are similar to graphic pencils in that they can create smooth, free-flowing lines, yet they feature, I cannot read, a permanent pigmented ink. The ink is water-based and solvent-free. The Japanese nibs are light fast and archival, and the barrels are clear for easy ink visibility. This set includes 0.1, 0.3, and 0.5 nib sizes. Alrighty then, so I'm going to clip this back up. Alright, so the next thing I see is a ruler that is actually in a triangular shape. This is interesting. I actually don't own a ruler because I have no use for one, but I'm guessing this ruler will give you nice hard edges because it's actually metal and it's actually SKETCHBox's ruler. Oh wow, okay. Custom Alumicolor 6-inch hollow scale. Retail price $7.95. We partner with Alumicolor to manufacture this special edition SKETCHBox ruler. We love the weight and feel of this tool. It immediately conveys quality and precision as soon as you hold it. Use it this month for geometric art with precise lines. Alright, so the next thing I see is this, which is actually a pencil. Oh my gosh. What lead is this? It's 0.5, which I love. I sketch all day, every day, and 0.5. And this pencil is really tiny for my hand. My hands are really huge, so I'm probably going to have the toughest time using it. Intel Sharp Mechanical Pencil, 0.5 inch. Retail price $6.59. A sturdy plastic body drawing pencil, perfect for technical work and geometric art. The high polymer HB lead is equivalent to the number 2 pencil and resists breaking. Alright, the next thing I see are these weird looking pencils. They say they are the Sensations. That's all they say. And I guess you click them and it's like a little crayon type of thing. Zebra mechanical color pencils. Retail price 90 cents each. We love the unique concept of Zebra Sensation mechanical color pencils. The colored lead is dispensed by clicking the button on the top of the pencil. These were included to add color to your art this month. They also work great with our custom ruler. I got a blue color and I got a kind of cream / brown color. I don't know, maybe peach by the way it's coming out. So this is actually pretty interesting. And the next thing I see is the actual featured artist of the box. So the featured artist of the box is Sheila Darcy, and yes, this is the January box, and of course you guys can read it like this or like this to find out more info on Sheila Darcy, and these are actually really cute. So yes, queen. And then the last item that I see is this little pen thing. It is actually a mono knock tombow, and by the looks of it, it's a eraser. Oh my word, I've actually always wanted a eraser like this. I've been dying to get one, and oh my gosh, it's not too thin to get thin details, but it's actually kind of thick. It's like that perfect in between. Combo mono knock eraser, retail price about $3 technically. This portable eraser is great for precision erasing with its 3.8 millimeter diameter. Get into tight places and create negative space in your art or make corrections with surprising accuracy. Alrighty guys, so now we're in the speed paint portion of this video. I actually have a lot of stuff I want to say about each supply, but first I'm going to say who I'm drawing. So from the previous clips, I showed that I'm actually drawing Suga from BTS because I'm #ARMY. But anyways, originally I actually wanted to do Miku because blue and cream, Miku Hatsune, and then I forgot that Suga from BTS had blue hair at a moment, so I'm like, you know what, bye Miku, I'm going to do Suga because I've been high-key obsessed with his song Seesaw, so I decided to dedicate this picture to that. So, going on to the supplies because Lord knows I have so much stuff to say. So for the liners, I actually really like them. They are really dark and pigmented. They don't fade, so yes Lord. They're very easy to use, and the only negative I really have is that they're water based, but they're not water soluble. So as you saw by the swatches, I actually wrote with them and then I went over them with water and they did not smear, which is good. It's really a good thing. But on the supply, it said that it could be dissolved with water, which it's not. So, you know, I think that's a little bit of a mistake in their part, but it's a good thing that they don't fade because, you know, maybe if you pick up this pen and actually write with it and you're just like, oh crap, I'm using watercolor, you're good. So yeah, and the last plus of this supply is that they're good with water, which I kind of already covered. So moving on to the ruler. A ruler is a ruler. I can't say anything more. I didn't use it. I used it to only color one triangle, and that's pretty much it. So a ruler is a ruler. For the mechanical pencil, I like that it was very easy to use. The eraser saved the life out of that pencil because I kind of found it really heavy to draw with because it is metal and it's really small, so I kind of had to put my hand on it really nice to get a feel for it, but the eraser is really good. So for the coloring pencils, which you're seeing me use now, they kind of just remind me of Crayola Twisteds. That's how they work pretty much. They do not get really dark. I legit have to put my hand on that paper really hard to get his hair that dark blue tone that you're seeing me do now, and it really hurt my hand. So I would not recommend these when you're doing fuller artworks, but if you want to do cute doodles here and there, they're perfect for that. So yeah. And for the eraser, the Tombow eraser, I kind of expected a lot more than what I got. So is it a good eraser? Yes, it's really good, but the eraser on the pencil worked a lot better than this. So if I had to kind of give my honest opinion of how the supplies worked, on how I experienced them, is this box really worth 25 big ones? And I would have to say a no, a big no to this box. Like, when I opened it on camera, I'm like, okay, this is what we got. And I thought, hey, maybe quality is better than quantity. And once I used them, I'm like, okay, I kind of feel like this could have been a great box for like a beginner artist or someone that's really getting into color but don't want to like get into color as heavy. I don't know, that's just how I felt. I really feel like this box was really lackluster, and I feel like the box before this one, which was the box that had the watercolor ink and all that stuff, beat it by a milestone. I just really felt like they kind of were not digging this month a little bit. So yeah, so my video is ending, so hope you guys really liked it. I'm glad you guys are liking these videos, because I don't want to be like this type of artist and you guys are like, Narelle, stop, we see enough of this. So thank you for liking this, and at the end of this video I will talk about how you can win your own copy of this box, since they sent me 2 by accident. So yes, and I hope you guys like the drawing of Sugar. I think it turned out super cute. Alrighty guys, so how you can win your own copy of this box, all you gotta do is just comment enter me and you're entered, and I will let this giveaway run for a week. So if you guys are really interested in seeing what you can do with these supplies, please enter the giveaway, because I personally do not want 2 copies of each of this thing and this box. 1 copy is enough. So thank you guys so much just for liking this video. Again, I don't know how long I'm going to keep up with SKETCHBox because I'm not filling them anymore. So SKETCHBox, hopefully February's box will be worth it, or else Narelle is not going to give you any more love. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a good Christmas, because I'm recording this exactly on Christmas. So yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.